Cheating. The other pandemic. Sorry about that.
That's into it.
Yeah, so, yeah. 1, 2.
Has everyone been a victim of it?
There we go. We're good. We're good. We are sounding okay now.
Yeah, that's good.
So on my timeline, I did put up
No,
a,
you guys like, I need to help you like set up.
so on my timeline I did put up a link if you want to listen to the audio. Yeah. And we are going live in 10, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We are coming to you, we are coming through to you live from Pretoria. I haven't been in Pretoria. I haven't been in Pretoria in like months.
And good afternoon.
And good afternoon to everybody. This is a very new platform. It's called The Furnace. And this is a platform where we're just going to be having conversations, open, honest conversations. Others would be a bit difficult to have, and others would be easy to have. And obviously we are different people, different personalities, and different upbringing. We're just going to be bringing our opinions on the table about pretty much everything. But today, we are going to be having a conversation about the other pandemic. Okay, I need to stop doing this, it's very distracting. We're going to be having a conversation about the other pandemic called cheating. So what about cheating are we talking about? What is it about cheating? Let's khuluma ngayo. And bear in mind, we're not only going to communicate in English, we are a diverse group of people. There's Zulus, there is Tongas, there are vendors, Sotho speaking people, Afrikaans speaking people, and. You guys, I think it's only fair that you introduce yourself. I didn't even introduce myself, I only introduced the show. I go by the name of Londa Sam, and it's Londa Sam throughout all the social media platforms.
So, and you're talking to Zwanda, and I go by Zwanda Nana in all social media platforms. And I'm really excited to be here.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you're talking to Precious. I'm Precious Michelle. My social handles are Precious Mgelani Michelle, all of them. And yeah, we're here.
Let's talk.
It's okay, I don't have a mic.
It's okay, we can hear you. We can all hear you.
We can hear you. We can hear
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
And
What is the topic today?
Waiting for you to introduce yourself.
Oh, no, you are, but I don't have a mic, it's okay. I'm TK actually, as usual. I'm always here on Sundays with the crew, with the group. Actually, we're having fun every different Sunday. But today, actually, Londi is our host. She'll be taking care, she'll be in charge.
you know, this is very weird because I only found out, not I was invited as a friend of the show.
Yeah?
I didn't know that I was going to be the host. But anyway, it's fine. I'm okay with it. And there's another gentle brother who has not introduced himself.
You know, this brother is very shy.
He's a very good looking guy, by the way.
I'm very shy. Okay. My name is Randy. A lot of people call me Randy T. I mean, T standing for my son in Chishonga, which means a medicine. So it's good to be here, and we'll be engaging on this new pandemic. This pandemic has been there all the time, so I had to do a lot of research. I took even research. Yeah, I even to call some of my people who told me about some of my ancestors, how they handled it, whether it was there or not. I'm not giving away, but I'm ready to engage. So over to you, my sister.
It's quite interesting that you said you used the term handle it. There's a lot of handling that needs to happen when there's cheating involved. So we want to understand from a male's point of view and a female's point of view, what drives you to cheating as a man, and also what drives you to cheating as a woman. I will start with my gentle sisters.
So, I think, for me, I don't know, I hope that you guys can relate to me, but I despise cheating. So, I don't think there's anything that can ever take me to that point, really. So, I'd say that what makes a person cheat would just be their own personal issues. It's not necessarily what the next person is doing that will make you cheat. It's just about you and what you want to do. So, in terms of why people cheat, I don't think I can speak on that because I really don't support cheating.
So you've
per
never
se.
cheated?
Never cheated. Show my ex.
Precious.
Okay.
What drives a woman to
To
cheat?
cheat.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna be honest. Why? Because I experienced it firsthand. I cheated, and the reason why I cheated, but
Aren't judging, guys. We're not here to judge.
you know, as much as we women do not admit that we cheat, we do cheat. We are the same as guys. You know, when a guy is passing and like you go like, oh damn, you know, we have that. You know, when someone is passing and they're looking at you like that, we have that. Khali, guys. Whenever you see a gorgeous, handsome guy passing, and you're like, oh, I can imagine that I'm gonna be with him. We have that, and that caused me to cheat. And not
So
only that,
Ukhala caused you
Ukhala,
to
yes.
cheat. Nothing beyond that. Ukhala.
well, yes and no.
Okay.
Yes and no. There's okay. When oh gosh, I'm putting myself out.
It's
there.
fine.
Yes, girl. Yes, girl.
No, not
Relatability,
judgment.
relatability is
No
important.
judgment.
The
Okay.
furnace.
The
I would
furnace
say-
burns.
I will say Khali was one of it. And another thing is because the relationship I was in, I got cheated a lot, and then I ended up like getting
Paying
tired of
revenge.
revenge, but not mostly about revenge.
When
I also wanted to feel love because in the relationship that I was in, I didn't feel that love anymore. So I wanted the attention, the affection, the love, you know, like new thing, you know. That's why I cheated.
I hear you.
Okay.
I hear you.
What caused you to cheat?
Oh, okay. Referring to me now.
Yes.
So already he has cheated, this guy.
Can you please introduce yourself, sir? You can't
Okay.
just come here and.
My name is DK, ne?
Okay.
I was just still fiddling around with other things.
Mhm.
This is your
Thank
juice.
you. Thank
Where's
you.
my
Thank you,
juice?
sir.
No, that's it. Anyway, so I was still fiddling around with other things there.
Mhm.
Now, yeah, I'm here. I hope I'm gonna be here for the rest of the hour.
Hopefully.
No, but
It
guys,
looks like everything is running smoothly now.
but
The
guys,
juice is being poured.
Yes.
what's happening here?
No, that's your juice.
No, but honestly, I didn't hear people say, did you say you're ever cheating?
No,
we're coming there. We're coming there.
Oh,
Who's
Yeah.
next? You must tell us.
Yeah.
So,
As
that's-
of the next person, actually, this is TK.
Yes.
There's quite a lot of things that actually contribute in men's cheating.
I'm a lot.
That's
We
right.
wanna hear about
We
that.
can actually
Give
like-
us
we can have a
top
list.
three.
We
Give
can-
us top
We
three.
can actually have a list. A disrespectful woman.
Okay.
That's the first thing.
Number one is a disrespectful
Nagging.
woman. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, but there's a difference between nagging and being disrespectful.
That is a list. Nagging.
Also, is
Disrespect.
disrespectful one.
Yeah.
Two is.
Men cannot handle arguments, but women don't understand that. Yeah, wow, all the time.
Okay.
Men hate arguments.
So it's disrespect, it's nagging.
No, it's just
and-
falling in one category.
One-
actually. It's
okay,
like
cool.
in one package.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Men cannot handle a woman who's actually not family driven, a type of person who wants to have a family, who have a vision. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, a woman who actually can give you direction. Men are like children; they need to be directed, to be given direction most of the time.
So maybe when you're still there, I just want to ask you a question. So if you can see that this woman is not giving you direction, why not leave her for the directional one? Because I bet that you cheat with the one that has better direction, right?
There's so many reasons. It's not
Okay.
easy. It's not easy to let go. You know, you women as well. You understand? It's not easy to let go. You are there to give your partner a chance, thinking maybe in future they will change.
Yeah.
Maybe in future, she will understand your vision and your dreaming as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You might have all the money as as an individual or whatever, but that does not mean you'll be happy in life. There's so many people who are.
Understandable.
There's so many people who have money, who have everything, but they're not happy.
But can I ask you something on that note?
Yeah.
don't you think, based on what you just said, don't you think that a lot of men have validation issues?
We do.
You do.
Yeah, we do.
Because my thing is, if you feel that all these things that you want from this human being, you're not getting them, leave.
That's not that easy.
Because
When you love someone, you know,
He-
first there's love.
I get that.
Yeah. Then there's quite a lot of things that comes after.
No,
The behavior of a woman.
I totally understand that. My thing with that is you can't expect things to go well on the external if the internal is not dealt with.
Can I ask you?
If
on
you
that?
loved yourself first, you would put your and be like, you know what? As a human being who loves themselves this much, this and this and this, I'm not going to stand for. In as much as I love this person, it's going to be hard, but I can't because you come first. As
Okay, can I answer that in a woman's perspective?
yeah,
The reason why they cheat on us and yet they don't leave us is because we have that thing we need to like, as he said, maybe I'm family orientated, I'm respectful, I have dignity.
Responsible.
You understand?
Yeah.
And sometimes he just wants an escape. It's not necessarily that he doesn't love me anymore. He just wants to escape. And then when he has found the freedom outside where he's cheating, then he wants to come back home to who? To me, the wife.
I'm going to play devil's advocate. Can I play devil's advocate on what you just said? Then on what you just said, you're saying he needs an escape, yada 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 yada. But don't you think this boils down to communication? Because in as much as you are how do I put this? In as much as you, as my partner, you want this and that, and I'm this and that. It boils down to you communicating with me as to what's fun for you, what makes you happy, what are the things you want to do that will make you escape this seriousness. Also, why can't you just speak to me about it and let's try it out?
Another thing, okay. Let me speak about me. I've been in a relationship for 8 years, and I've realized that when you're in a relationship,
Yes.
That's
Some-
very long.
I'm a commitment type of
Very
woman.
long.
I'm a commitment type of woman.
Halala to you, ne?
Yeah,
Hey, some of us have a long way to go, yo.
I got my hands full.
Okay, let me try this.
8 years.
Some of us have a long way to go. Like,
This is a woman to build a family.
You can build a
No,
family.
guys.
relax.
Guys, okay, let
It's
me
not
share
that
this. I think you're misunderstanding.
Thank you, Rachel.
I was in a relationship.
Was. Oh, was in a relationship.
For 8 years.
You know, I'm glad you just spoke on that. This person, Tiniko just literally logged on now. And he once asked on Facebook, and like, abantu who have been in a relationship for 8 years, what the hell are y'all doing?
That's my point.
That's the point it's coming
So to answer your question on that, you know, when you're in a relationship for a very long time, you end up becoming a roommate.
Khuluma ngomjolo, not marriage, not
Okay,
you know,
both. But you become friends and like, I say, no more.
The spark is lost.
Like you lose the spark and
Is
you
it?
see Uzwanda on the street
Yeah.
and something attracts you and immediately a spark comes back.
Yeah.
So we lose the spark. That's why sometimes we cheat.
It's good to be honest.
Guys, can we?
It's good to be honest.
Now we haven't come to you.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were not
Like,
gonna come
I'm
to me.
so sorry.
I was
No, we
praying you
did
don't
not
come to me.
neglect you. We did not neglect you. We are here. What, and according to you, what makes men cheat?
I think I've never cheated. Let me put it
Really? No, but then guys, you must understand.
I
But you
would
guys
say-
must understand there are degrees to cheating.
Yeah.
We're gonna get into
No,
that
I've
a little
never
bit
cheated.
later.
I've never cheated. So, but what I've heard and what I've observed is that men cheat because they always like to test things that are outside.
So, Khalekha,
It's not, and most men is not that they are not happy at home. You can find a man with a very beautiful woman,
true,
successful,
true.
respectful,
Very
loving, and all of that. But that man will still go out there and cheat. I once had this guy who said to me, even if his wife can even kiss his armpit, he will still go out there and cheat. So, and then I realized that the issue is with I don't think a lot of men, if you ask them, they see cheating as something wrong. It's only when they've been cheated on that they realize that, you know, cheating is something that is hurtful, that is wrong. So one of the reasons that men cheat is because they just want to cheat.
I think that's
Because-
Wait, whoa. Can you please say that again?
Okay, I
Yeah,
can
you
repeat
can
that.
say that again.
Apologies to men out there. Apologies to all the men out there. I'm representing you very well. Majority of the time, men cheat. It's simply because they want to cheat. But there are instances where men cheat out of anger.
Can I ask you
Where they,
something?
let me finish this one.
Let's
There's one,
finish this
you
point.
will ask me. Okay, there are times that men cheat out of disappointment
Okay.
and out of anger. And that may have come in the way that they felt that they were not treated in the manner they felt they deserved it, or they were not treated accordingly. Because men do commit, there's things that the men will do, show a woman that you love that woman, you show that woman you can go anywhere, you can do anything. But there's no, the woman does not reciprocate.
But
So,
did you
so when
guys,
that happens,
can I ask you
a
something?
man will not just walk away, he will just cheat and find somebody.
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
If that's the case,
Mm.
why can't you sit her down and have that conversation with her?
To tell you the truth, men do try to speak to their women. They don't just walk out.
Yeah.
I'm talking about good men. I'm not talking about small boys or somebody who has a problem with their women. A man will try to talk to you. But I think the problem is when they try to engage
Yeah.
with the women. Maybe it's not the right time to engage with them. Because there are some issues
There's
that...
never a right time to engage.
There's
on
never,
anything.
there's a time
Yeah.
that you'll engage with your partner
Yeah.
and realize that you are just not finding each other.
Maybe just to
Yeah.
intervene there, I think the biggest the problem that we have with our, the new generation,
Yeah.
they don't have problem solving skills
Oh.
in a relationship,
Communication skills.
communication skills.
Yeah.
So every time maybe I raise a point, then you just start to erupt like a volcano.
Can I ask you,
That's
whose
women
problem
thing.
is that?
That we, as this generation, we don't have proper communication skills.
I think it goes back to how we were raised,
Okay. But now, Anisha, you understand, Ubutsi, this is the
And
thing.
also, I think it also goes, it's also influenced by the things that you see a lot on TV.
Yeah.
And the soapies, I mean, somebody would
Technology and
think,
everything.
somebody's acting, maybe it's
When
on
when
generation.
when your partner or your husband comes back home and he's just quiet the whole thing, at night or whatever, you must ask yourself the question: why is he not even raising any concern? He's angry. You can see he's angry deep inside,
Yeah.
and he cannot talk to you. So that means you're not approachable. Right?
Mm.
Are you approachable?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Can
I'm
you
listening.
solve any family issue without even raising your voice at him and stuff?
Mm.
Because men don't like to be shouted at.
Mm-hmm.
That is the point. We can't handle a woman who's always shouting in such a way that your neighbors can hear there's a problem and
But guys, my thing with this whole cheating thing is it boils down to you as a person. You cannot blame your wicked ways on the next person. That's a you thing. You deciding to cheat or me deciding to cheat. It's a me thing. It has nothing to do with the next person because I'm saying this because if I knew that there are certain aspects of our relationship that I'm not happy about, it's my job to sit you down and be like, A, B, C, and D is not working for me. How do we go about solving it?